You saw a little bit of sunshine out there when Thomas was out there, and you can see the same thing here in South Haven. We're finally getting some clouds clearing. It's a little chilly though. These people probably wearing their jackets. They're walking along the lakeshore as temperatures are in the 40s. We do have winds that are about 5 to 10 miles an hour. Some occasional higher gusts here and there, but the wind a very different picture than what it was like 24 hours ago when our winds were in the 40s. Instead of winds in the 40s, we have temps in the 40s today. 49 right now in Grand Rapids and 46 for Big Rapids and Fremont. Hart running a little cooler here at 45, but along the lakeshore in general, it's upper 40s, low 50s, and it's hard to see with the satellite here, but if we put this into motion, you can see the cloud cover, the sharp edge here right over Lake Michigan where that high pressure is starting to move in. It's eroding that cloud cover. So that area is starting to move closer to us, which is why we're seeing more of these cameras with a few breaks in the clouds now that high pressure has finally gotten close enough to help to clear all of that out. This is going to stick around tonight. It's going to move right over us, helping to clear out any remaining cloud cover and to calm the wind down too. Wind should only be about 5 miles an hour overnight, and with that high pressure in place, the low wind and the lack of cloud cover, that's a good recipe to drop to some chilly temperatures. We should be about 33 for Holland and South Haven and Grand Rapids. Most of us within a degree or two of freezing one way or the other. Fremont though, Big Rapids, Greenville and Ionia models starting to latch onto some cooler temperatures here in the 20s, which would be more of a hard freeze. So bottom line is, if you have any plants left over, which you probably don't, the growing season is well over, just make sure that you cover them or bring them inside. Going into tomorrow, that high pressure helping to keep us nice and sunny, still keeping it a little on the cooler side, at least comparatively. Our high tomorrow near 55 degrees, but that's very average. Average is 54. We just have an off perspective since almost all of October we had days in the 60s and 70s. Looks like some of that may return, but at least not here in the short term. Through tonight, you can see a little bit of wind, not a whole lot, and clearing skies. It should stay fairly clear through the early part of the day tomorrow. Great day to be outside considering the sunshine and pleasant conditions through the afternoon. But as we get into the evening and into Sunday, we see our next system taking shape out of the plains, and all of that moisture is going to start to overrun West Michigan. So by the time we get to the afternoon, we should be seeing an increase in clouds, and into the evening, some of these showers will be moving onshore. This model keeps a lot of those heavier showers a little bit to our north, but we should have a decent soaking rain coming Sunday evening, and then we'll see more rain into Monday and Tuesday as well. Another thing to note is that we have our daylight savings ending on Sunday, so we're falling back. We get that extra hour of sleep. That part is always fun, and then we'll have a good, at least early part of the day before that rain moves in. With Monday, showers likely, and Tuesday, showers likely. Either of those 2 days, we could have a thunderstorm or two as well, but it should be mostly rain. We'll be clearing out for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.